A sea of faces, etched with years of struggle, turns towards a shared horizon as the subcontinent awaits its dawn. Banners of freedom ripple above the crowd, each wave carrying the weight of their long fight against British rule. After years of struggle, the people of the subcontinent were on the verge of freedom. Echoes in the air, hope palpable. Quaid-e-Azam addresses the nation, his voice resonating with hope. Flags soar high, a vibrant symbol of unity and freedom. The narrator proclaims, "Under the leadership of Quaid-e-Azam, live with dignity and equality." Dawn breaks over Pakistan, 1947. Faces filled with hope turn to the horizon, prayers rising to meet the new day. On 14 August 1947, Pakistan was born. The narration begins. A nation forged in sacrifice and determination. Flags wave high, a symphony of color against the sky, as a new journey commences.